Hey.
Elizabeth Goegel of Tony Barrios of France, and Catherine Zepp of Austria. For a little completing the second round. Snow fell during the weather break.